how to create an ad using Kittl for Etsy products. Alright guys, so the first step to creating something that looks as good as this is to click on the three horizontal lines and click on new project. So it's going to go ahead and open up a new project in a new tab for you, and you just meet a white blank sheet that looks like this. And now once you've gotten your blank project, go ahead and click on the upload. So click on uploads here, go ahead and click on upload file, and then select one of the files you'd like to upload from your computer. I went with this, and then simply upload it. Now the next step is to simply click on this here to simply add this to your canvas. Now we have a blank canvas with our product. All we need to do is just simply click on remove background to simply remove the background of this product. Now we can easily customize this by dragging the product around so it's centered and is the main attraction. Now the next step you can take is to simply click on text and simply add a text, something like this. You could just simply add this to your canvas and then just simply resize it so it basically fits in. And then you can now have something that showcases your business, maybe something that would say 50% off. You could find that in your text. Just go ahead and click on add a text here and then just type in 50% off and then just drag this and place it here. And then you can easily expand. You can easily expand it so it takes up a good amount of space. All right, and now for the background, all you need to do to customize your background is click on the project itself, select the colors, and just simply place a color for it. And voila, we have now designed an ad for an Etsy product. Now the next step is to make sure it matches your brand style by using the consistent colors and fonts that would match your Etsy shop branding. Once you have, you can now go ahead and add mockups. Just go ahead and click on mockups here, and you can simply place this on a t-shirt. You could place it anywhere else like a mug, a shirt, or a person. And then once you're done doing that, just close out of here and click on the export option to simply export it from your device. So click on export and you can easily export this as a JPEG, a PNG, or a PDF file onto your computer, and you can now simply post it on any social media platform of your choosing. All right guys, that's how it's done.